Good morning. If you have ever wanted to see a dashboard of your ranch that can rate it on a numerical scale, then this is the video for you. So you can see I have this dashboard here, and we have just some big numbers right up front that tell the manager, operators, whoever is in charge of this, just some high level scores. So we have a daily operations score, 7. We have a cattle BCS score right now of like 6.5. Working conditions, this would be like infrastructure, equipment, how that's coming along. So we got a score of 6, and a crew efficiency and morale. So you can see that the crew efficiency and morale is really low right now. And if you kind of want to drill down into what's going on here, so for 2024, you can see there's no records for a score of 4, but in 2024 we have 72 records with a score of 5, with an average score of 5. And then I can see the list of all those records here. I can drill down even further, read the notes, see the scores, and then I can toggle through those right here. The way that these numbers are inputted is through this daily diary right here. So this is just an entry that anybody on the ranch could make. Managers, cattle foreman, whoever's out there and has permission to access this form in this data can enter a score. And so the idea would be somebody enters a detailed score every single day. It takes 5 minutes at night. You can do it on your phone, you can do it on your computer, and then you assign a score to various criteria on the ranch. And how that looks is right here. I would just add a form. I would select the date, and then I would type in some notes. And so you can see that I am going to copy these, and then I'm just going to paste these in here. And just for formatting, I'm just going to do that. And then daily operations score. Actually, let's read through this real quick. So completed cattle rotation from Ryan Flat to Lower Cottonwood Bend. Observed 2 steers showing signs of possible foot rot. Discovered 1 dead steer, suspected cause water hemlock poisoning. And then the crew communication this morning was poor. Management appeared distracted, and this caused confusion and frustration among the day help. So daily operations score, I'm going to give that, like a 6. Cattle BCS score. So overall, the cattle are in like good health right now. But for this demonstration, I'm going to give it kind of a lower one, just so you can see how this data works. Environmental and working conditions score, let's say things are looking good. Infrastructure, fences are good, gates are working well, equipment's working well. So let me get that an 8. And then crew efficiency and morale. Like today was a frustrating day, there was no communication, so I'm gonna give that a 3. And then if I want, I can put pictures of those cattle in here so that I know for my records. But I'm just gonna go ahead and create. And if you notice, well, I have 2 entries for August 20th here, but you can see that this one does not have an ID other than the date. And that's because what I've done is within the data layer, I'm going to go back to this data layer. I have created an agentic field, so called categories. And when you make a diary entry, this categories field analyzes the notes that you've written out, and then it automatically assigns a category based on the content of these notes. So I'm just going to run this one, and you don't have to do this manually. You can set this up right here to run automatically. You can enable internet search. You can do all sorts of things with these cool agentic fields. So I'm just going to save that. Now if we go back to this interface layer, you would see that actually daily diary, that now we have a complete ID. So moving on, let's say over the years we've changed our management strategy and the cattle BCS score is increasing and the morale is increasing. So let's go back to that real quick. If I go back to this dashboard and open it up, you can see the cattle BCS right now is really low. The crew efficiency and morale is really low. But through better management practices, we've started increasing that. So if I go back to the data layer, this is going to be like a tip and a trick for Airtable. I have an extension here called Batch Update. So if I open this up, I have the crew and efficiency morale score, really hard to say, set to a random rating between 2 and 5. So let's just say we've, really improved our management strategies, and that's saying that I can't have a maximum rating more than the max. So I'm just going to up this max. And what are we doing here? This is the crew efficiency. I'm going to go to 10 and then make this, let's go 7. Come on. 7. Okay. Done there. And then because the crew is happier and everybody's working, the cattle have, gained better. They're happier. We're going to make this a 10. And then over here, we're going to increase this to 7 as well. So we're going to batch update these records. And it'll go through all 599 records and assign a random value between those two parameters that we've set. So now if we go back to the interfaces, open this up, you can see now over the years we've increased our cattle BCS to an average of 8.57 and the crew efficiency and morale score to an average of 8.58. So you can see how useful this dashboard is right here for really quick insights. All right, so if you enjoyed the video today, like it, share it, tell people about it. And also if you need help developing this, please reach out. I'll be more than happy to help you with some assistance. All right, thank you.